Nevada Jobs Coalition. Last cycle, it was primarily funded by Governor Brian Sandoval's Political Action Committee. The governor apparently is quite committed to turning the Senate Republican. So what about the spot? This issue actually came up in Jones's 2012 race, but not with this potentially devastating effect. The ad's well-produced and hard-hitting. But is it true? The case involves Las Vegas Sands, which Jones represented in a high-profile lawsuit 3 years ago. Judge Elizabeth Gonzalez filed an order in the case after Sands attorneys, not Jones, denied seeing emails critical to the dispute between the company and a former employee. But Jones and others had seen them. So the question was, what should Jones have done? When asked later in court what he did, Jones, who no longer was working for the firm, said, "I did nothing." Could he have contradicted his colleagues? Legal experts suggest that would have put him at risk of sanctions, and attorney-client privilege prevents him from saying what he did privately. We know he left shortly thereafter. Gonzalez eventually issued a scathing order in the case, fining the Sands $25,000 and using some of the language cited in the ad. But what the ad says about Jones, that the judge accused him of serious violations of candor, is not true. It was not his, quote, lack of honesty that cost the company $25 grand. And this is not minor. The judge's order never mentions Jones. But he was part of the team. And 2 Review Journal columnists wrote blistering columns about the case and mentioned him. Jane Ann Morrison declared Jones unworthy of your vote. The irony of this involving Sheldon Adelson's company should not be lost. Adelson's Las Vegas Sands contributed $50 grand to the Nevada Jobs Coalition in 2010. Now, Jones's campaign probably thinks this issue was vetted last cycle and he survived. But not like this. This ad could hurt, but it is quite misleading as that order was not about him at all. I give it a D. That's Reality Check. If you have any ads or mail pieces that you want us to dissect, email me at Ralston.